Hello, my name is Philip. This is my new dance called Half Broke. It's done to the music Half Broke Heart by Cam. This is a 32 count, 2-wall dance. There's one restart and there's an 8 count tag that we do several times during the dance. So let me turn around and show you the steps. Starting with our weight on our left, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, drag, rolling vine, quarter, half, quarter, crossing shuffle, cross and cross, big step, drag, second 8, quarter, half, quarter shuffle, cross, quarter back, quarter shuffle. Third 8, cross rock side, kick ball quarter, Last 8, fall away, cross side back, back side cross, scissor cross, scissor cross. Now let me show you the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. There is a restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. Let me show you the restart on wall 5. We'll be facing 12 to start. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and restart the dance here. There is an 8 count tag, which we do at the end of wall 2, at the end of wall 4, and after 8 counts on wall 7, we do the tag twice to end the dance. So I'll turn around and show you the tag. We do the tag always facing 12 o'clock. So the tag is side rock, quarter, half, quarter, cross, recover, side, cross. The tag with counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me show you wall 7 with the 2 tags to finish. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. Thanks very much.